It's a bond hearing?
Sir, I filed a motion requesting bond.
This isn't just a routine bond hearing. This is a probation case unraveling in real time. Multiple positive drug tests, a new arrest, and a defendant who had nearly completed a 10-year probation now facing the possibility of everything collapsing at once. The judge is about to lay out a timeline that raises serious red flags, and what started as a request for leniency quickly turns into a warning with real prison time attached. Stay locked in, because this hearing moves fast and hits hard.
Still waiting on the lab on that one, Your Honor.
Yes, the new list.
We've got two cases. We've got two different dates of problems, don't we?
Yes, sir.
You're Calvin Lawrence. You're Calvin Lawrence. You're charged here in a motion to revoke probation that was filed on September 29th of this year, which alleges that you were on probation a long time too.
Yes, sir.
That you committed the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance on or about June 18th, 2025. And you failed to immediately report to your probation office your arrest on that you were required to do as a condition of probation. And then finally, a urine sample of yours was tested on or about April 29th of 2025, which is 2 months before you are alleged to have committed the illegal possession of controlled substance. And on April 29th, your urine was tested at the probation office, I guess.
Yes, sir.
And it tested positive for cocaine, which is a violation of your probation. Let's see.
Alcohol is really wrong on that day.
And I didn't see that. Why only do one wrong thing when you can do two? What she kind of do is I looked at the probable cause affidavit on this June 18th, 25. All right. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. We are requesting a bond for Mr. Lewis. He is on deferred adjudicating probation. Essentially, he's been doing well for 9.5 years of the 10-year probation. He did express he did relapse earlier this year, in which I believe he did express that to his probation officer prior to him taking the drug test, in which he made them aware that he would be positive and was seeking some help. Mr. Lewis, prior to these relapses, had done exceptionally well to complete everything that was required of him. He was actually running a halfway house, sober living home for several years, Your Honor, and actually ran managed the cafe here at the courthouse downstairs for several years. Your Honor, we're just asking that while this motion is pending and while we're awaiting any results of this new alleged offense, that he be granted a bond along with any conditions that the court may deem necessary, such as a drug patch or things of that nature, while the motion is pending, so that we can hopefully get his case disposed of soon.
What's that say?
Yes.
And I believe he just also, on September 25th, Your Honor, he also tested positive for cocaine as well.
That's on July 24th as well. Is that different from what's involved? Yes. Mr. After that.
You're going to add, or you're going to add?
Yes,
that to
yes,
it?
Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we've got two other events.
I believe there was another offense from July 24th, 2025, of possession of controlled substance.
Well, no, the judge can give us straight.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Well, can we be ready for a motion hearing on this?
We can be ready on the other. We're still waiting on the labs on the possession of controlled substance, but we can be ready on the others pretty much anytime. Where he tested positive for alcohol, cocaine, and then they failed to report the new arrest.
3 weeks?
Yes, sir.
3 weeks? Let's have a hearing. You're not going to wait long. I'm gonna rule on this.
Judges, he's not entitled to a bond based on the type of probation that he's on.
Is that right?
I think he probably.
Deferred.
Say that again?
I believe he's on deferred adjudicated probation. I believe he is entitled to a bond.
Yeah, I know that. I thought you said he wasn't entitled to it.
Oh, no, that's it.
Yeah, $50,000
Okay.
plus drug patch.
It's awful.
But this won't, we're gonna have a hearing in 3 weeks and it'll
And it's very often.
conclude all of this. One way or the other. Y'all can get the motion amended so that we give the defense all the information.
Thank
Very disappointed. I thought we were going to be successful on this. I'm very disappointed.
you. There you say welcome.
This is you're looking at 20 years in prison. You understand?
Yes,
By the end of this hearing, the court's position is unmistakable. Despite nearly 9.5 years of compliance, repeated probation violations, including multiple positive drug tests, failure to report an arrest, and a pending possession allegation, dramatically shift the court's tolerance. Deferred adjudication allows bond, but it doesn't erase consequences. The judge sets a steep $50,000 bond with strict conditions and makes it clear this case will be resolved quickly. One misstep has now placed decades of freedom at risk. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.